The 4 best homemade foot scrub recipes. Summer can be particularly taxing on your feet. All those barefoot sprints in the sand, salt, and rocks on the beach, and the physical toll of sightseeing in sandals, not to mention being on your feet for hours. We've compiled a list of the 4 best DIY foot scrub recipes to keep your feet in tip-top shape. 1. Soothing Peppermint Foot Scrub. Pour 1 cup granulated sugar into a mixing bowl. Mix in your favorite olive oil or coconut oil gradually until you have a slightly wet but grainy consistency. Several drops of peppermint essential oil should be added. To exfoliate, hydrate, and soothe weary feet, transfer the scrub to a beautiful bottle and use in the bath or shower. 2. Lemon Foot Scrub. In a clean, dry bowl, combine the sugar and almond oil, then slowly drizzle in the oil until you have a soft, wet sand consistency. Apply as much lemon essential oil as you like to your feet and massage for 5 minutes before rinsing in the shower. 3. Milk Scrub Treatment for Cracked Heels. Soak your feet for 5 to 10 minutes in a foot bathtub or large basin filled with 1 cup of milk and 5 cups of warm water. Pour baby oil and sugar raw salt into a mixing bowl and thoroughly combine. Make a thick paste with the ingredients and apply it all over your feet, massaging in circular motions. Finish by exfoliating calloused heels with a pumice stone. Rinse your feet and pat dry. After that, rub your feet with Stridex pads to exfoliate them even more. Then, on the bottoms of the feet, apply a heavy moisturizer raw petroleum jelly. Put on a pair of thick, warm socks and lie down with your feet up for several hours or sleep in them. 4. Foot Soak for Achy Feet. Vinegar can help tired, achy feet feel better by reducing inflammation. Use hot water to fill a large basin or foot bath. Add 2 tablespoons of vinegar and a handful of Epsom salt or sea salt to the water. Soak your feet in the basin for 20 minutes. Then, using cooled water, make the same mixture. To finish, soak a towel in the cool mixture, squeeze out the excess, and wrap it around your feet for 5 minutes. Continue to do this multiple times a day to reduce inflammation and relieve achy feet. Links to products seen in this video in the description. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button to get more videos like this one.